Hello growing enthusiasts! Today we're going to be doing a quick summary video on the Parris Island lettuce seeds within the AeroGarden farm system. We're going to be planting this on day 0 and showing you the whole process through that first month. And you can see there, that's the garden that we're starting today, which includes the Parris Island seed pod. Since I'm planting my own seeds today, I'll be using the AeroGarden sponges that we bought in bulk, along with these grow baskets that I bought on Amazon, and we're reusing these grow domes that came with the AeroGarden initially. And links to all these items will be in the description of the video below. It's always best to have that sponge soak in the water for a bit before you do plant the seeds within it. This helps with the germination process. As again, you can see we're using the Parris Island seeds, and we're going to be planting 3 seeds within the grow sponge. So first I squeeze out some of that excess water from the sponge and have those tweezers ready so I can handle those seeds and place them into the grow sponge. I've already got the first one in there and trying to get that second one. There it goes. And we'll get that third one here shortly. And yeah, I place them at varying depths within the sponge just to get a variety of options there. And then slide that into the grow basket, making sure that sticker is fully covering the top. Having that sticker in place prevents light from getting through, which helps out preventing algae. The Parris Island here has a corner lot in the front corner of the AeroGarden farm. Alright, we've got our full lettuce garden planted. That grow dome goes on. With this new garden planted, we make sure to add 16 milliliters of this liquid plant food by AeroGarden on day 0, and we also do that on day 14. Now we'll zoom right ahead to day 5 and check in really quickly, see how things are going. And this Parris Island has already sprouted. And we're off. Now here we are on day 7. You can see a lot more moisture in that grow dome, which we're actually going to remove here so the leaves don't touch the edges. And so far it looks like only one of the seeds has sprouted, but it looks great. And very quickly here we find ourselves on day 10. Let's take a look. And it's looking quite healthy. One very nice sized leaf there, along with plenty of other growth. And it still looks like only one seed germinated. And here's a great time to take a look at those roots, and you can see things are developing quite nicely there. Great to see. Move ahead 5 more days and we'll take another look here, and you can see our little one has done some growing up. Looks great. I mean, look at those 4 huge leaves. It's looking solid in the middle there, and the roots, we'll take a look at that really quick. Wow. Yeah, that's looking really, really healthy. Super happy with this. And you can see in the center that crown of the lettuce looks very strong, and that's where all the future growth is coming from. We'll jump ahead 3 more days to day 18 here and take a look at how we're looking today. All right, let's take a nice close look at this. We've got some very crisp feeling leaves here, and the roots are looking quite amazing. This thing is doing very well, looking very healthy, and some very solid growth. Those leaves are getting nice and large. And as we pan across the top here, you can see that crown in the center. Looks great. Now we'll move ahead 3 more days to day 21. You'll see here that the previous day we actually moved it over 1 spot just to make some room. And today we're going to do a small harvest. We'll do a small harvest of those larger leaves on the outside and encourage some future growth. And plus, I'm in the mood for a salad, so we're going to combine this with some of those other leafy greens you see and make a nice salad for lunch. So you can see I'm working my way around the outside of this and just trying to get some of those bigger leaves on the outside while keeping the center crown area nice and healthy. Don't want to damage that. That looks great for the very first harvest. We'll leave the rest there. And we'll jump ahead 3 days just to see how this is recovered since that first harvest. You can already see quite a bit of growth, and that crown still looks very strong. Let's zoom ahead to 4 weeks, day 28. It seems like it was just yesterday. This was just a tiny seed. Now look at this. This is looking very healthy. Some very nice leaves for harvesting today. We're going to be snagging those. Look at that beautiful crown, still growing strong. Alright, we're going to show the harvest here again, and you can see the whole neighborhood's looking good. There will be links to these other plants here at the end of this video that you can take a look at those. But again, the idea, we're working around the outside of it here, cleaning up all the leaves on the outside, working our way in, leaving that crown in the center. So we're moving some of these smaller leaves, and then move into these bigger ones, working our way around. Here's a good looking leaf right here. Let's take a look at that. Beautiful. We'll speed things up. And as you can see here, there's quite a number of leaves that come off of it this time for a very strong harvest. And then at the end, we leave the crown. Since we took away a couple of seeds that were not working, we're going to move this back to its original spot. And the guy to the left, who grows quite quickly, can have a little bit more room to grow as well. So we'll go back into that corner lot, just like so, and that perpetual spinach to the left will have room to grow, along with our Parris Island. Again, making sure to keep all those holes covered to prevent algae. A quick sneak peek 5 days later, look at those leaves and how they recovered. It's already time for some more harvesting. You can see some of these other videos that show some of the other plants from the neighborhood. We invite you to subscribe to our channel and throw us a like. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Be blessed.